ground. Used to chase a softer dream, a quiet life, a steady stream. But the river caught a restless sound, couldn't keep my feet on solid ground.